The CAE is kind of a one-stop shop for everything that goes into being a student outside of content tutoring. So we really work with students on things like time management, organization, procrastination, just helping them really self-advocate and be more confident in their studies. I always tell students their first meeting that we're not a cookie cutter office. We're going to work with them, see what they need. Every student who comes in is really a unique situation, so you never really know what's going to walk through that door. Even if it's the same student, from week to week, they're going to have something different that's going on.
So many of our students are first generation, or maybe come from backgrounds where, education wasn't a priority, but they just within themselves know it's a priority for them, and they're just very centered within themselves, and they just have this really amazing plans for the future. And so it's exciting just to work with them and hear about those plans and see them make progress. Even if it's just little steps, it just means so much to be able to see people in their progress to self-improvements.
I'm a bit of an older student. And when I originally went to school, I really didn't learn how to learn. And so when I found out about this, I thought this would be a great way for me to do that. And it really did help how to manage the course load, understanding how to read something and retain it fast enough with the workload that I had. And Brian helped me with that, put me in touch with a specialist right away to give me some tips on that.
This is not a scary place. This is a place that will provide as much support as they need, as often as they would like. We're here to guide and to coach them through their classes, as long as they put in the dedication and the determination to continue to meet with us. We can work with them in many different ways to overcome obstacles and challenges that they have along the way.
Engage and Go's are exactly how they sound. We want to engage students in something for 10-15 minutes. If they can take away one piece of a study tip or time management, procrastination tip, and they can apply that immediately to their studies, they come in, they don't have to sign up for them, take 15 minutes, learn something, and apply it.
When I was connected with Andy, my stress went away. It helped me keep on a regular schedule, keep me in line. He goes above and beyond for me because I have a lot on my plate, so you'll be surprised, and it's a weight lifted off your shoulders.
It doesn't matter if you're a 0.0 or a 4.0 student, come see us. There's no such thing as a perfect student. So if you can come in, work on one thing to better yourself as a student, that's a big win in my book.